everyone, we're going to make snowflake for Christmas Day. So we are folding this red craft paper, make a triangular shape. Now with the use of this earbud, we are going to draw this design on the top of it, cut it, open it, and look, it is ready. You can gift it to your loved ones as well. We're going to make this beautiful snowflake design. So fold this red craft paper, make multiple fold and open it, and again fold it like this. Make this narrow strip. Now draw the design on the top of it and start cutting it using scissor. Cut carefully, we don't have to cut it fully. Now fold it again and cut the same design at another part as well. Now open it and we're going to cut it from its side. Make more such designs and combine all of them together, and look, it's ready. We're going to fold this red craft paper and draw a beautiful heart on it. Here we are making snowflake with this beautiful design. Now cut it, open it, and you will get this beautiful heart-shaped snowflake. We're going to make this beautiful flower snowflake design. So we are folding this red craft paper first into half and then make a triangular shape like this. After this, we are going to cut this beautiful pattern on it like we're doing here. Don't cut it completely like this. Now open it, you will get this flower design. Now using double-sided tape, we are going to fold it and look, it's done. We are going to make this beautiful heart-shaped design. So fold this red craft paper, make a triangular shape, cut the shape of heart, open it, and look, your design is ready. We are going to make this beautiful star and heart-shaped design. So fold this red craft paper. Now we are going to draw these two hearts like this in opposite direction. Now cut it like we are doing here, cut it from its center as well. Open it and look, your heart-shaped star design is ready. We are going to make this intricate heart design shape. We are going to fold this red craft paper. Now using this black pen or marker, draw the design you need. Now we are going to cut it according to the outline like this using a scissor, and look, it's ready. We are also cutting the details using this cutter. Open it and look, your beautiful design is ready. We're going to make a beautiful artwork. We are pasting these earbuds and make the house. Now cut the doors, windows, and roof using craft paper. Paste all of them. Now we are going to make the snowman using bottle cap. So paste all of them together. Make the cap and snowflakes as well using earbuds. Sprinkle some white paint and look, it is ready. We are going to make Christmas tree here. So cut two such Christmas trees and paste them together. Now paste stars and colorful paper circles. Now add details like draw gifts and sprinkle some white paint on the top of it, and look, your artwork is ready. We are going to make this beautiful artwork for Christmas Day. You can gift it to your friends. So we are going to paste all these colorful circles. Now we are going to make different animals using clay, and we are also pasting them on the circles. Like first we are making a chick. Similar way we are going to make more animals like pig, then tiger, frog, and then snowman. Add snowflakes and look, your artwork is ready. Look at these cute little snowmen. Let's make it. First we are going to make the body. So fold this white sheet of paper and we are going to cut these circles. After this we are going to combine all of them together and make the head of the snowman. Similar way we are making the cap as well. Paste all of them together, draw its eyes, nose, fold it and paste it, and look, your artwork is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.